good afternoon. We are Chennai and we have come here all the way from Dholakpur and Mirchinagar because we have been sent from your favorite superhero and super cop Chhota Bheem and Little Singham all the way from your favorite channel Pogo. And we have come here to play some fabulous games, to give you some fabulous prizes and do lots and lots and lots of fun, masti and dhamal over here. So come on, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls and all the cute little lovely, amazing, enthralling and exciting kids here at We Are Chennai, quickly join us here because I'm your host and host Anchor Saurabh, and along with me we have Anchor Siri with us, and we are presenting to you this Do Ka Dam Chhota Bheem or Little Singham, presented to you by Center Fruit, co-powered by ITC Classmates. Classmates enjoy learning. Parle Fab with our associate sponsors XO Family, Healthy Family, Godrej Expert, Balo ka best friend, Glucon-D and Mother Dairy, Ma Jaisi.
But before that, I want to tell you something. You all take lunches to your schools? Okay. And you finish your lunches? Okay, your mom will know the better answer. Well, but there is something that you should also know, that after finishing your lunch, by the time you reach home, the bacteria increase by 700%. So just imagine how harmful they could be. But just like Chhota Bheem and Little Singham, we have one superhero, and that superhero is EXO. With EXO has the goodness of ginger and power of cyclogen, and that is why EXO family is healthy family. So kids, I'll say EXO family and you have to say healthy family. Okay, so everyone, EXO family? EXO family? Okay, so now in front of you there are 28 germs and you will be given one EXO ball. In one chance, you have to destroy as many germs as possible. Whoever will destroy the maximum number of germs by the end of the game will be our winner.
ITC Classmates game that we are going to play, and ITC Classmates always believe in learning with fun, with enjoyment, because when fun and enjoyment is included in learning, then that learning prevails and stays for the longest time. And that is why we have this very exciting game where we are not going to only just play the game, we are going to learn the multiples as well. So we have a father-son duo over here, and once again wishing all the fathers here a very happy Father's Day, and this is one very exciting Father's Day game over here we have. So fathers, you have buckets of 3, 5, 7 and 11. 3, 5, 7 and 11. And kids over here, listen to me carefully. In that bucket, you have several numbers. You have around 12 numbers over there. And it can be 77, 27, 36, 44, like that. All these numbers are the multiple of 5, 3, 7 and 11. 5, 3, 7 and 11. You have to take out the ball and shout out the number. Let's say the number is 11. And you have to take the catch of that particular ball in the bucket that has the multiple of that particular number written on it. Suppose if the number is 33, 33 is a multiple of 3 and 11. So you can take it in either 3 bucket or 11 bucket. Suppose the number is 25, you have to take it in the bucket of number 5. Okay, like that. So I hope both the teams understood the game. I hope he also understood the game. Learning gets more exciting, more worthy when we include the fun element into it. Now, you all have made paper rockets in your school rooms. Here, you have to make a paper rocket that you have already made, and you have to throw that paper rocket on this sheet. And your paper rocket has to land only on this sheet. It shouldn't be going here or here. It has to be only the sheet itself, and whoever would be able to fly their paper rockets for the highest speed over here will win one fabulous ITC Classmates hamper. And with this game, classmates enjoy learning with ITC Classmates.
Wow!
that was such an energy. Really nice. Now we will say we love Chota Bheem on the countdown of 3, 2, 1. Okay? We love Chota Bheem on the countdown of 3, 2, 1, go! Very nice. Now we will say we love Little Singha on the countdown of 3, 2, 1. So kids, on the countdown of 3, 2, 1, go! Very nice. And now we will say, I will say Chota Bheem and Little Singham, and you have to say Do Kadam. Chota Bheem and Little Singham. And
Okay,
you have to say-
தோக்காதம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லணும். என்ன சொல்லணும்? தோக்காதம். Okay?
Okay. So, Chota Bheem and Little Singham.